Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to showcase this really cool app called EC20, which stands for Earth Challenge 2020, and it is a global citizen science platform and a big effort in order to get people more involved in science going on related to the Earth. So they have 6 categories that they want to focus on, and this is a big way for just the average person to contribute, get involved, learn more about science in super easy ways. You don't have to travel anywhere. You don't have to be an expert. You just need to have a phone that takes pictures. On top of this, it is also a way for you to learn more about research. As we go through this app, you will see there are lots of ways for you not only to contribute to the research, but also learn more about it. So, as I said, there are 6 areas that this app focuses on for research. The first one is insects. Very simple. You just take pictures of insects in your area. Then there's air quality, and for this one, you just take a picture of the horizon, and scientists use that picture to understand pollution in your area. There's then plastic pollution. Again, you're just taking pictures of plastic in your area so they can understand what plastic is where. By sorting photos of cropland, scientists can understand what food is being grown where and work to reduce the carbon intensity of farming. Then probably one of the coolest aspects is you can see how well you're doing compared to everyone else on the app. It's a way for everyone to get involved, but also a way to have fun and share and compete this really cool effort. So here we are. Let's join the challenge and get started. It's super easy. You click join, it takes you to a separate link where you then put in your information and signed up. You can opt out of the texts and emails, and I can attest that they don't spam you, so don't worry about putting in your phone number and stuff. We'll now skip ahead. This only takes a few seconds to do. I didn't lie, only took about 10 seconds, and now we are ready to go right back to the app and we can check out what it has to offer. And you see it sends you a quick email to confirm, and that's about it. So you go to the homepage, and this is how you launch the different research opportunities. And again, it's for all of them, it's just sorting or taking photos. Super easy. You can then go to the map tab and you can select different layers and see all the pictures that other people are doing. So first, here I just selected insects. It brings up where people have taken photos, and if you zoom in, and here I'm going to kind of zoom in closer to where I live so we can see who kind of in my area is also on this app. You can then click on the dots and it shows you the different photos they've taken. So these are the different insects in the specific area this person has taken. You zoom back out and we scroll around. You can see this is a big effort. People all over the world are getting involved, but there still aren't that many. We need more people to get involved with this research. You then switch over to the community tab. This is your way to keep track of how well you are doing. Since I just logged on for the first time, we have 0 for everything, but I'm hoping that will change very shortly. The Act tab is then your way to learn more about how you can help these problems, how you can help air quality, how you can help insects, how you can reduce plastic waste. Just learn more about how you can help the situation outside of just this app. Finally, on the Partners tab, this just shows all the different organizations that put this app together. There are some really good ones here, and it's definitely a chance to look into them more. So now let's launch one of these things. So let's just go to air quality. So it gives you the instructions for your first time here. You go through them, gives a little more information about why it's important to track air pollution, why air quality is important. To calibrate your camera, super easy. Take a picture of a blank white paper, and then here's your instructions. You got to take a picture of the horizon, and here you go. Just get involved. You click the little report air quality button. You are probably going to have to give permissions for this app to use your camera. Should be fine. You then go ahead and take the photo. So here, let's maybe click on another one. Here is the plastics pollution one, and same thing as with the air quality one, it just gives you some information first and how to take the photos, some instructions. For this one, you're gonna have to confirm your location because they need to know where that plastic pollution is. You then classify. It then tells you a little bit about how the Again, I want to stress that a big part of this app is learning, so here's more about what you can do is listed, and finally, you can then take the photo. Like I did say, you do have to give permission to the camera, but then it's simple as that. You just take the photo and submit it. If you click on the little person at the top right, it takes you to your settings, just the simple user page. And there you go. That's about it on this app. It is very simple, very straightforward. It is a great resource to learn more about research that is going on and how to help the planet. It's also a way for you to get involved. Like I've said multiple times, it is very simple, very easy. Anyone can do it. And I really think you should check it out. It's just another easy way for you to help the planet and hopefully have fun doing it. I hope you enjoyed this very quick, brief tutorial on how this app works, and once again, consider downloading it yourself and getting involved in science.